Guys, can you explain this? How do I do this in electricity game without dying? Like I die every minute, every second I mean. So how do I get past it? Is this even possible? Have I tried this? Oh, that isn't possible either. Really, I can try again over here. No, it's not possible. What do I exactly do to beat it? I will literally give you Robux electricity just to beat this part. I will give you Robux. I will give you Robux. Robux. I'll give you Robux. Just to pass this. How did you pass it? How did you? I think I need to face plant. What if this is a trick? What if this is a trick? Okay, yeah. So if walking around it doesn't work always, you could simply just walk around it. So let's try that again. See as I lose. Oh! I thought it was working. Let me try over here. Oh yeah, I think I got it. I think I got it. How did... Are there any clues? Are there any clues? Are there any clues? And how does please how? I don't know how does please how does please how does the opposite of safety in Roblox? Like I have to make 2 videos in one day when I'm supposed to only make one. Why? Why? Just 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 why? I don't like this new hobby! Why did you even turn this into a meme? Why did you turn it into a meme? This is gonna make me rage so bad. I'm very bad. I'm very bad. Tell me in the comments how to beat this part. Because I'm just gonna be dying it over the next couple minutes. Did my kid just turn blue?